presence of one simple tool. That's why the Titan Survivor Steel Fire Starter is an absolute must-have for any survivalist, prepper, or adventurer. This specifically designed ferrocerium rod starts fires quickly even when wet. The handle of this tool is made of patented woven survivor cord, which contain various life-saving materials including wax jute for fire making, fishing line, and a strand of multi-purpose conductive wire. Simply strike the rod with the back of your knife to generate sparks in excess of 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit. And this rod just keeps on giving with a guaranteed 12,000 strikes. In addition to that, this tool also includes a high decibel emergency whistle integrated into the handle. Titan Survival is dedicated to giving you all the tools necessary.
My name is Scott, and today we're talking about the Firelight fuel-free rechargeable lighter. This dual-arc plasma lighter works in any weather and at any altitude. It's USB rechargeable and features a built-in LED light and 3-foot tender cord length. The lighter weighs less than 2 ounces, and a single charge is good for over 300 seconds of ignition or 3 hours of low light. Use the lanyard as a spare rope or expose the wax cotton core to use as a punk or dependable tinder. Pack this ultralight fuel-free lighter
with a durable paracord handle, robust striker, integrated whistle, and a few survival hacks, making fires just got a lot easier. Try adding duct tape to your rod. This ensures a better grip and extra survival tape for future use. Remove the black coating from the rod before striking. Then, by adding a small heap of shavings in a pile, you ensure a flashlight ignition. This rod can also be used with different strikers if needed. Like a survival knife, but always make sure to use the back of the blade. Or try a hatchet or axe to create a large pool of sparks. You could even use the back blade of the trauma shears that comes with our first aid kits. Now that we have sparks, what materials can be used for an easy fire? Having dry kindling is key. But if you don't have any, a bit of petroleum jelly goes a long way and has many different uses. Fat wood is great to start a fire, and thicker pieces will help to keep it going. Taking your bushcraft skills to the next level takes time and practice. The better you...
3 different bright neon colors. They will also be able to glow in the dark through the whole night, making it super easy to find your fire starter and your knife.
The sparking rod in each fire ant will come with a special anti-corrosive coating to make them look great and last well in adverse conditions.
But we haven't created just another sparking tool. The fire ant will be a complete fire starting system.
We've also designed a special tinder that integrates with the fire ant in the same space. We call it Helix Tinder.
Helix Tinder is a special wax tinder that's easy to light and burns for a long time, making it easy to start a fire in any weather condition, rain, snow, or shine.
And one Helix tinder can be separated and used multiple times.
The sparking steel on the fire ant will be made from the same high-quality, easy-to-spark formula we developed for the Firelight.
So it's easy to get lots of big hot sparks, which are great for lighting all kinds of tinders.
With your help, we can't wait to turn this idea into something everyone can have.
If you enjoyed our video, don't forget to hit the like button below. And if you want to see similar videos in the future, smash that subscribe button and make sure to turn the notification bell on. Now that's all I've got, and in all that you do, we want to help you beat yesterday.